Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y squared. Next, we have 1 over y, and this one that is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative first derivative of y over y squared. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one I will put in here. This one we change by v. So this one we can put into dv over ds. Now about v I will put in here. The negative I will put on the right, and we have v minus 1. This one I will put on the left, ds will put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So this one that is about ln of the absolute value of v minus 1. This one we have s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.